So this question is the second question relating to the same scenario with the extracts of information from the financial statements previously provided. All this question wants us to do is go and see which of the following statements is inappropriate in relation to the limitations that we have when using financial information as the basis of deciding whether to provide finance. So the first option is that different accounting policy can affect comparison from one period to the next. Now, in reality, the accounting policies should be applied consistently. So when we're trying to compare within the same company from one period to another, however far apart they may be, in actual fact, they should be comparable. There may be instances where we would want to change our accounting policy, but actually, even if we change accounting policy, the requirement under IAS 8 is that we restate our comparatives, precisely so that comparisons can be drawn from one period to the next. So at the moment, that appears to be an incorrect and inappropriate statement, but we will just discuss the others to make sure. So the second one then talks about the fact that we only have limited extracts from the statement of financial position. So at the moment, it's impossible for us to actually assess the management of working capital. And that is true. Here we don't have enough information to be able to look at how well they manage things like their stock, receivables, their payables. And then the next option is that the limited extracts that we've been provided with from the statement of profit or loss make it impossible for us to see why profit before tax as a margin has increased. And again, that is true. All we have is the revenue line. We don't have any other details in terms of expenses. So we wouldn't be able to draw much of a conclusion from that extract of information. And then finally, industry averages are not available, so we can't see whether the improvement is in line with or exceeds expectation. And again, that is true. It's all very well comparing one year to the next and seeing improvements, but if that still leaves us below similar companies within the same industry, that would still indicate some issues with this company. So the final three do appear to be true, and as we thought, this is the inappropriate statement.